Morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you so much for being here today, everyone. And I was hoping to see a lot of young, bubbly, excited faces. Where are the children? I would like to see some children on the screen. Yes. Okay, wonderful. Great. Oh, that's nice. So can I request everyone to put their mics on mute right now? When we want you all to speak, we will tell you all, right? Excellent. Thank you so much. I'm sure all of you all have got an absolute expert at handling Zoom now with school going online. Is that right? And we can use the chat box to say yes, no, right, wrong. Okay? I think how many people do we have, Ishita, online now?
We have about 30.
Okay.
So that's including me and you.
Yes. So I think, Jatin, should we give another 3-4 minutes maybe?
Maybe we can start at 11:05 or.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. So we'll give 3-4 minutes, and I can see some really nice, cute, smiling faces. So have all my young friends had their breakfast? You can type on the chat box, yes or no. Use your chat box and tell me whether you all have had your breakfast. Yummy, yummy breakfast prepared by mummy or papa or yourself. I don't know if you're old enough and interested in cooking. Yes, yes, excellent. Wonderful. So everybody's sitting with tummy fulls, right? Okay, and we're going to be doing a very interesting story, after which, of course, we'll be having some activities then. Anna? So are you looking forward to it? Are all my friends who've logged in early? I like that.
Oh.
Who's that? I love that. Yes. Okay, so all those who say that are you all looking forward to it, give me a thumbs up sign. Excellent. Excellent. Wonderful. Okay, so we'll just give 1 more minute for some of our friends who would like to join us. Thank you for being online and joining us on a Sunday morning. I'm so excited. How are you all feeling? In one word, share your feeling. How are you feeling today morning? Type it in the chat box. Yes? How are you feeling? From all the emotions that you can think of, I'm not going to say those. You have to type it in there. Nice, superb, very nice. What else? How else are you feeling? Come on, let me hear some nice emotions. Very energetic, amazing. I'm excited. Wonderful. Okay, nice. Okay. Would somebody like to speak? Then maybe you can raise your hand. Raise your hand like we do in school and classrooms. Raise your hand and we'll switch off the mic for you and you can speak. Okay, Hardik wants to speak, Ishita. Unmute yourself, Hardik.
Actually, I was just testing.
You were just testing, okay. Okay, so mic test, camera test, all done. Lights, camera, and now it's time for action. Yes, everybody looking forward to action? The weather is awesome here. Okay, Abhinav, where are you, Abhinav? Which part of the country?
And what?
Which part, which city are you in, Abhinav?
I'm in Delhi. New Delhi.
Okay, so the weather is awesome over there?
Ma'am, it's kind of a rainy.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Abhinav. Okay, I
Welcome,
think
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So are we ready to begin? How many total participants now do we have, Ishita?
33.
33. Okay. I think let's begin. And those who will join in little later, I think that's okay. So welcome everybody to this Sunday morning story time. I'm Jaya and I have with me Ishita, who,
Good morning, everyone.
and we're both going to tell you a wonderful story, and we'll do some really fun time activities after the story. Right? So are you all ready? And get set, go. So first I have Ishita, who's going to do something for you all. Ishita, over to you.
So basically what I'm going to do right now is I will be sharing my screen for all of y'all, and I'm going to show all of y'all a few images. Okay? Right now what I want each one of you to do is observe each and every image carefully. Once I've shown all of the images, I will be asking you all a few questions, and based on that, maybe you could just raise your hands and then give me a response. Is that okay with everyone? Maybe just do a thumbs up if it's okay with you. Okay, great. Great. So can everyone see the screen? Okay. So I'll be showing each image for about 10 seconds. You can have a look at it. If you would like me to zoom in a particular image, so maybe you can unmute yourselves and let me know if you would like me to do that.
Next. Can we zoom in a little bit,
Bird.
Ishita?
There is a bear and a bird.
Okay. Okay, nice. Right, next.
A kangaroo. A kangaroo and a rabbit.
Okay.
Kangaroo and a rabbit, okay.
तुम बोलो
Kangaroo.
ये कौन है?
No, that's not a kangaroo.
I'm a monkey
A monkey, okay,
monkey.
fine.
and
Okay.
mongoose.
Mongoose, okay. Okay.
Ostrich and a small bear. Ostrich and polar bear.
Ostrich and
Ostrich and
koala
rabbit.
bear, okay.
Ostrich and rabbit.
Okay.
Ostrich and rabbit, okay.
Mowgli.
Mowgli.
Mowgli,
and rabbit.
okay.
Mowgli and a rabbit. And rabbit.
Okay.
वहाँ जाता है ना जो बोल रहे हैं वैसे जो बोल रहा
There's a tree and a bear. A tree and a bear. Bear.
Tree and a bear, okay.
And Baloo. Ma'am, Baloo.
Baloo,
Yeah, Baloo the
okay.
bear.
Okay.
There's a small rabbit. Rabbit.
Small
Rabbit.
Okay.
Rabbit. Koala bear.
Okay.
Okay.
Rabbit.
Fine.
I'm a rabbit. Ma'am, a rabbit.
Okay.
Rabbit, okay.
Then so many peacocks. I'm a
So many
peacock. Then peacocks.
Okay, so some are saying peacock, some are saying
Ostrich.
Okay. I heard somebody saying emu.
emu, okay, great.
We are getting warmer now.
Yes.
Rat.
Koala bear.
Rat, koala bear, okay, what else?
Selfie.
I'm a squirrel. I'm a squirrel.
A squirrel, okay,
Otter.
fine. So then we go on to the next one.
This, you'll have to change the direction a little bit, Ishita. Turn the direction. Further. Huh. Yes.
Mongoose, emu, woodpecker.
Another.
Sparrow,
I would request
man and koala bear.
There's a man. There's a kid.
okay, koala bear. Okay, I would request the parents not to help.
Yes.
man.
No, the parents are also joining us, and that's very nice to see parents and children together.
Okay, we go on to the next one.
कुछ हेल्प करते हैं तुम लोग का?
There's a kangaroo, ma'am. Emu, rabbits, deer.
Rabbit, deer. Okay.
Very nice. Renisha.
Man and sparrow.
There's a boy. Ma'am, Mowgli is also there.
Mowgli is also there.
Mowgli
Okay.
is also there.
Fine.
There's the ostrich. Mowgli.
Okay.
Squirrel लोग जैसे
लग रहा है. Okay.
So sweet.
Anyone else who would like to say something about this particular image that you can see right now?
Is there only one or
Mole
are there
and
more
koala
than
bear.
Mother bear and baby bear.
Mother bear
Koala
and
bear.
baby bear. Koala bear. Okay. Fine. So with that, I'm going to stop sharing the screen. And my first question to all of you. Now, if you would like to answer, I would request if you could just raise your hands. Okay. So that the session goes in a smoother way. So, what do you think are these all images trying to say?
Ma'am,
Yes, Hardik?
ma'am, these images, these animals are from Australia.
Wow.
These animals are from Australia. Okay, fine. My second question, why do you think did I show all of these images to you all?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes?
Raise your hand, beta. Okay.
आंसर आता है तो आप
हाँ, बोलो बेटा.
ma'am, because you want to stories.
1 minute. I have Sanjay Kumar speaking, so I think it's your son maybe. Yes, go ahead. Yes, Sanjay.
No. Okay.
बेटा मेरे नाम पे आएगा ना क्योंकि
हाँ.
तेरे नाम पे नहीं.
So आप अपना नाम बोल के बोलो बेटा. आपके पापा का नाम संजय है.
Yes, I can see Vinod has raised the hand. So if I'm going to unmute Vinod.
मैं बोलना छोड़ो. A baby koala bear wants to
Okay.
meet his papa koala bear. This koala bear.
Okay.
Okay, a baby koala bear wants to meet his papa koala bear. Okay, anyone else who would want to maybe give an answer of why did I show all of these images?
Vikas wants to answer, Ishita.
Okay, Vikas, yes.
Ma'am, my name is Manas Mishra.
Okay, Manas.
Manas.
And the pictures are depicting that unity is diversity.
Unity is diversity. Okay, great. I can see Riddesha has raised her hand. So, Riddesha, would you like to speak?
What does it? Because I have to do fun in lockdown.
We have to do fun in the lockdown. Okay, great. Yes, someone said something. I could hear someone saying something.
Bhaskar.
Mother's Day or someone. I could hear just someone say something like that.
Dilip.
Okay, Dilip. Okay, Dilip, yes. Would you like to repeat it once again as to what you said?
No, I think
Okay, fine.
no other answers. Let's begin with the story now, Ishita ma'am.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So, what's going to happen now is we are going to mute all of y'all, okay? And we're going to read out a story. So, once we're done reading the story, then we'll be having a fun activity.
So everyone, mics off, mouth shut, eyes open and ears open. Are we all set? Yes? Okay. So here we go. One day, Wombat woke up and thought, I think I'll dig a hole today. Wombat loved digging holes. So off he went and dug a deep, deep hole. He crawled inside and sat there in the cool and the dark. and began to think, because Wombat loved thinking too. He thought to himself, why is the sky so blue? Why am I a wombat and not a kangaroo? Sometime later, Wombat climbed out of his hole. He looked around for his mother, but she wasn't there. He was all alone.
Who are you? Cried Kookaburra from high in the sky.
I'm Wombat, said Wombat.
And what can you do, Wombat?
Not much. I dig a lot and I think a lot.
Ha ha! That's nothing, cackled the Kookaburra. I can fly. Look at me. And he looped the loop and flew away.
Wombat went down to the creek to look for his mother, but she wasn't there either. Just then, Wallaby came hopping by.
Who are you? He asked, looking down his nose at Wombat.
I am Wombat, said Wombat.
And what can you do, Wombat?
Not much. I dig a lot and I think a lot.
That's nothing, laughed the Wallaby. I can hop, I can skip, I can jump. Look at me. And he hopped and skipped and jumped away.
Wombat walked and everywhere he looked for his mother. But he couldn't see her anywhere. He sat down under a stringy bark gum tree to get his breath back. Just then, Possum popped up beside him.
Who are you? She asked, darting her eyes this way and that.
I am Wombat, said Wombat.
What can you do?
Not much. I dig a lot and I think a lot.
That's nothing, laughed Possum. I can hang upside down. I can even swing by my tail. Look at me. And she swung away up the stringy bark gum tree.
Wombat wandered sadly through the bush, still looking for his mother. Just then, Emu came scampering by.
He snapped.
I am Wombat, said Wombat.
And what can you do?
Not much. I dig a lot and I think a lot.
That's nothing, laughed the Emu. I can scamper. I can scoot around in crazy circles. Look at me. And away he scampered, scooting around in crazy circles.
Just then, a boy came by, hunting after the emu.
Who are you? He asked.
I am Wombat, said Wombat.
And what can you do?
Not much. I dig a lot and I think a lot.
That's nothing, laughed the boy. I can do just about everything. I can jump. I can even run. I can swing. And I can even hunt. Look at me. And off he went hunting after the emu.
It was baking hot now, and Wombat shuffled into the shade of a great eucalyptus tree. He hoped his mother might be there, but she wasn't.
Who are you? Called the koala from way up in the tree above him.
I am Wombat, said Wombat.
What can you do?
Not much. I dig a lot and I think a lot.
Nothing, laughed Koala. I can doze. I can even snooze. I can even snore. Look at me. And very soon she was dozing and snoozing and snoring away high up in her eucalyptus tree.
By now, Wombat was very, very tired. So he lay down in the shade and sang himself to sleep. When Wombat woke up, he looked around again for his mother, but she still wasn't there. I know, he thought, I'll climb the highest hill I can find. Surely I'll be able to see her then. So that's what he did. He climbed and he climbed and he climbed. When he reached the top, he looked all around him. Everywhere he looked, there were lots of cackling kookaburras, hopping wallabies, swinging possums, hunting boys and scampering emus, and dozing koalas. But no matter how hard he looked, he just couldn't see his mother anywhere. But what is that? He did see something else. He saw smoke. He saw fire. It was leaping from tree to tree. It was coming straight towards him. Wombat thought very hard. Suddenly he knew what he had to do. He ran down the hill as fast as he could and began to dig. He dug and he dug and he dug.
Then Kookaburra came by, and the wallaby, and possum, and the emu, and the boy, along with the koala. Fire! They all cried. Run, run, you silly wombat! Fire! There's fire!
But Wombat just went on digging.
What are you doing? They asked.
I'm digging, replied Wombat, and I'm thinking too.
What are you thinking? They cried.
I'm thinking that fire burns faster than you can run, fly, hop, or swing. And I am thinking that there's plenty of room down in my hole. If you would like to join me, we'll be quite safe. Come along.
They took just one look at all the crackling fire and all the billowing smoke. One look was all they needed.
Down into Wombat's hole they jumped until they were all sitting there, safe and snug. And to keep them all happy, Wombat sang them the digging song that his mother had taught him.
When at last it was all over, the fire as well as the song, they climbed out into the evening air.
I wish, sighed the Wombat, looking around him sadly, I just wish I could find my mother. I've lost her, and she has lost me.
Well, why didn't you ask? They all said. We'll find her for you. And away they went, flying and swinging, hopping and scampering, running around in all directions.
With so many of them looking, it wasn't long before they found Wombat's mother and brought her back to him. Wombat and his mother just hugged and hugged each other.
I've been looking everywhere for you, she cried. I was worried sick. What have you been up to?
Not much, Mom, Wombat said. And what do you think, children? What did he say? What did he say? Yes, raise your hand. Bhaskar. What do you think he said? No one? So let's take it, Tishita, together. Not much, Mom.
Not much, Mom. I've been thinking a lot
and
digging a lot.
That's all, right? So this is the end of the story about the wombat. Now, can some of y'all give me the names of 3 more animals?
Lion, tiger, and cheetah.
No, from the story, beta.
From the
Yes,
story.
From this story that you just heard.
Emu, koala bear,
Okay.
and kangaroo.
Emu, koala bear, and kangaroo. Okay.
Any others? Okay. So like we had, I think Hardik had said that these animals all belong to Australia. He was very right. This is a story from Australia about, and what was the name of the hero of this story? Which was the animal who was the hero of the story?
Wombat.
Wombat. Yes, correct.
So all of you who were initially, when Ishita showed the images, you all said squirrel, rabbit, mongoose. So these were not that. This was a wombat, and a wombat is found in Australia, right? It lives in a hole deep under the earth. Yes? Okay. How was the story? Everyone, tell me.
It was so nice.
Very
It was
nice.
so nice. Okay,
Okay.
Tanisha. Fantastic.
One at a time.
Nice.
One at a time. Okay? Raise
Okay.
your hands. Okay?
Okay, anyone else who would like to say what did you enjoy the most in the story?
That digging thing.
The digging thing. Okay. Yes, I could see Sanjay Kumar was wanting to say something.
The wombat.
The wombat. Okay. Anyone else?
What did you like about the wombat?
The lines which he said that I only think and dig.
Right.
I love digging a lot and thinking a lot. Yes, Hardik.
Ma'am, that we should never give up.
We should never give up.
Very
Okay,
nice.
great. Anyone else?
Okay. So, since you all loved the two lines, I dig a lot and I think a lot. Let me ask all of y'all and think about this before you answer. We have all been in the lockdown and at home. Yes? What have you been doing to help your mother or help at home? Think of two activities and I would like you to create a dialogue for yourself. I do this and I do this. Think about it, write it down maybe if you're sitting with a pen and paper. If not, get it and quickly write it down and then we'll come back to you.
So, for example, if I want to talk about myself, I could say, I've been teaching a lot and I've been sleeping a lot. So that's what we want from you. We want to hear what you have been doing a lot during this lockdown.
And when you're ready, raise your hand and we'll ask you.
Or maybe you could just say your name and then unmute yourself, say your name, and then we'll tell you all to speak. Okay, Hardik is ready. So yes, Hardik, you could unmute yourself and speak.
I'm actually like programming, so I do and I do sleep a lot.
Okay.
And I also eat.
Okay.
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 So Hardik, I would like you to say it the way Wombat said it.
I program a lot, I eat a lot, and I
Sleep a lot.
Wow, great, great, Hardik. Okay. Yes, who would like to go after Hardik?
Next, who's next? Come on.
Yes, yes, Bhaskar.
I would play a lot, I would eat a lot.
Okay.
I've been playing a lot and I would eat a lot. Okay, great, Bhaskar. Yes, Ridesha.
Videsha.
One second. Yes, now you can speak.
I've been dancing a lot and been studying a lot.
I've been dancing a lot and I've been studying a lot. Great. Yes, I can see someone, N. Shyam
Vinod.
Sundar.
And me.
Vinod.
yes, Vinod will come to you. Yes, who is on N Shyam Sudar?
Ma'am, me.
Please give your
What's
name.
your name?
Varun.
Varun. Okay, Varun. Okay. Yes, what is your, what have you been doing, Varun?
Ma'am,
I've been playing.
I do homework.
You do homework. Okay, you've been doing homework a lot. Okay, fine. Yes, Vinod.
And I sleep a lot.
Could you repeat that once again, Vinod?
I learn and I sleep a lot.
I learn
Okay,
a lot.
I learn a lot and I sleep a lot. Okay,
Everybody
great, Vinod.
seems to be sleeping a lot.
Okay,
Huh?
Sanjay Kumar Mishra has of course written his dialogue. However, I would love it if you could speak it.
I have been playing a lot, studying a lot, and eating a lot.
Okay, great. Yes, someone on Dilip Negi. Someone on Dilip Negi has also
Yeah.
said it.
Yes. I will be playing and keep playing.
I will be playing and keep playing a lot. Okay, great. Anyone else who would like to give their response? Yes, Shri, would you want to say something?
I'm Varun.
Okay, Varun, you want to speak again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, go ahead.
Yes.
Ma'am, I study a lot, I eat a lot, and sleep a lot.
Okay, wonderful, Varun.
Okay.
I have
Okay,
two
so-
answers
yes.
from the mothers because their children are very young and can't write or speak. Thank you so much, firstly, for talking on behalf of your baby and understanding your baby so well. So, Vani, can I know the name of your baby? So, it would be nice to know your son's name. So, her son says, I am playing a lot, and in his words, I do masti a lot and eat a lot. And then Shalini's daughter, Ditya. So Ditya says, who is 3 years old, she copies advertisements from TV. So she loves copying dialogues and dancing a lot. Wow.
Oh, great, Ditya.
Yes. Thank you, Vani.
Yes, Bhaskar. Bhaskar, you want to say something?
I would like to do paper craft, seeing in the
Paper
TV.
craft.
Okay, great. Fine. So I guess we can go ahead to the next part of the
Yes,
session.
let's move on to the next activity. Okay. So, how many children do we have who are below 7 years? Just raise your hands. Below 7 years old, please raise your hands.
Okay, Riddhesha, Shalini Negi, Vinod. Who else is? Okay.
Dilip, I know.
Okay. Anyone else who's 7 below?
Okay, so I think we have Vani, whose son is 4, so she can do it with him. So,
And I think we also have Neha, whose daughter is young.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So I think for all these children, Ishita, would you like to say what they need to do with their parents together?
Yes. So I want the parents to help their children who are below 7, or maybe the children if you want to do it on your own as well. I want you to pick up any one part of the story and maybe draw something related to it. Okay? So we are going to give you 15 minutes. So any part of the story which you heard, and if you would want to draw something related to that story, it could even be one of the animals that you like, you could do that. Okay?
And there is no restriction, कोई भी color cartoon form में भी बनाना है आपको, cartoon form में बनाइए. Let your imagination flow, use your colors, your pencils, and get down to drawing. Yes? Now, all the children who are above 8 years, and that leaves all the other children, therefore, what is the activity for y'all? Very interesting, and I'm sure y'all are going to love this, right? Pick up any other animal of your choice, any other animal from the jungle of your choice, and write down a dialogue between that animal and the wombat. Yes? And 3-4 sentences, dialogue between both the animals. How do you think they talked? You heard how many animals? The emu, the koala, the kangaroo, who else was there? The possum, the kookaburra. They all had a dialogue and interaction with the wombat. So now with the wombat and your animal of choice, write down a short, funny dialogue. Something really creative and funny. Ishita, would you like to add on that?
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. Okay, Hardik.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. I like that spirit, Hardik. Challenge accepted. Okay, wonderful.
okay.
So all the children, please take this as a challenge.
So I would just give an example of what we basically want the children who are 7 and above to do. For example, if I'm a snake, okay? So what would the snake say to the wombat? Who are you? Said the snake. So the wombat would say, well, I'm Wombat. And then the snake would say, what would you do, Wombat? So the wombat will of course say, well, I love thinking a lot and I love digging a lot. So the snake would say, ha ha ha, that's nothing. I can slither a lot and I can go down into my deep, deep holes. Right? So that's what we want the students who are, or the children who are 7 and above to do.
And the snake, ma'am, can also hiss a lot.
Yes, the snake can hiss a lot as well.
Hiss a lot.
So we'll give all of the students about 10 to 15 minutes to complete their activities. And I hope the children who are below 7 have started drawing. And at this point, I would request if everyone could just turn on their videos so that I can see what all of y'all are doing.
Yes.
It would be great to have a look at all of the children once.
Faces. And look at their faces also. Yes. Can the others also come online? Thank you, Tanisha. What about the others? Come on. Does somebody have a question or something? Please feel free to ask. We would love to answer.
Okay, I can see the young one with yes.
I can see Ditya.
Yes, Ditya is there. Yes, Hardik, what is it?
Can we write on another topic? Can we write on another topic like lion is saying, hey, I want to eat you.
So, Hardik, I think first you write the dialogue which is in continuation of the story. And if you finish, then you can do whatever else you want. You can make up another story. Is that okay?
Okay.
Is that fair enough, Hardik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, beta.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Who's this? Can you
Ma'am,
see
Manas
your-
Mishra.
Manas. Okay. You've completed. Good. Keep it with you. We will listen to it in a while. Just hold on. And
Okay,
if you've completed with one animal and you want to try with another animal, so do that. No worries. There's no limitation. Let your imagination go absolutely wherever in the jungle. Pick up any animal. Pick up a bird. Who knows? Maybe by the riverside, the wombat even meets a sea creature. You want to talk about a fish or something? Let just your minds open up. Think of all the animals that you can.
Okay, and I can see that Ridesha